Get ready to meet a bird that can't fly, but can outrun a lion. It has giant eyes, super strong legs, and lays the biggest eggs on Earth. Welcome to Top Kids Zone. Let's explore 10 amazing facts about the ostrich. Ostriches are the world's biggest birds. They can grow up to 9 feet tall and weigh over 300 pounds. These birds can't fly, but they can run up to 43 miles per hour, 70 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most animals. An ostrich's legs are so strong, they can kill a lion with one kick. They use their legs to protect themselves. Ostriches have the largest eyes of any land animal, bigger than a golf ball. This helps them spot danger from far away. They lay the largest eggs in the world. One egg can be as big as a melon and weigh over 3 pounds. Most birds have 3 or 4 toes, but ostriches only have 2 toes on each foot. That helps them run super fast. Their necks can be over 3 feet long, helping them look out for predators, but their heads are small in comparison. Instead of water, ostriches love to roll in dust to keep clean and stay cool in the hot sun. Ostriches live in groups called herds. They work together to stay safe and take turns watching for danger. Because of their tall bodies and long necks, ostriches must spread their legs wide and bend all the way down to drink water. What a stretch! Wow! Aren't ostriches incredible? If you loved learning with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing animal adventures. Only on Top Kids Zone.